Under this rain, what are you doing here?
I have to see.
You came to see me how? It's raining now. See the weather.
It's raining. I said, let's come and see you because it's raining.
No, you shouldn't enter the rain. See how just close the door. Are you not cold?
How are you?
I'm fine, but what are you doing here now?
I came to check you.
If the rain. You.
I came to check you. How are
You came to check me how? You came to check me. But it's raining now. You're not supposed to enter the rain. You
No,
fall sick.
no conditions.